guys! Welcome to our home for the next 3 days. The Tower Villa of Okada MNL. Look at this beautiful entrance. So dito pwede ka naman. Okay, saan you gusto? Right or left? Right. Fire exits. The Tower Villa means spa room. Other side. The powder room. Bedroom. Ito na. Sorry, ang kalat na gamit namin. Pero, look at this beautiful room. Nice. So nice, right? Right? Perfect. Meron pa, karaoke. Live mo yun. Pinay na pinay talaga. Country. So nice. Alam mo, pwede akong tumira dito. Ta-da-da! There's another room! Ay, ako. Other rooms for the gas. Okay, closet din. Pwede na talaga ako tumira dito. Bathroom. Lastly, the master bedroom. Ta-da! So big. Hello. Jacuzzi. And also, come. Walk-in closet. Nandito na yung mga gamit namin nila kuya. Kasi sama-sama kami dito sa loob. Sabi ko kila kuya, sama-sama kami dito sa loob kasi apakalaki ng kwarto. Tatakot ako. I hope you enjoyed this tour, guys!